How is AI reshaping industrial operations? The answer may surprise you. Hi, I'm Nicolas, and today in almost a minute I'll present you some of the key findings of our recent research with Foundry. We surveyed over 200 decision makers in industrial organizations, and we asked them how they use AI now and how they plan to do so in the future. First finding, AI in one form or another is everywhere. More than 70% of decision makers say their organization currently use AI for use cases like predictive maintenance, work management, or inventory optimization. Another 25% say that they plan to do that in the future. So that leaves 3 to 5% who are holding out with the real risk of being left behind. What do these three use cases have in common? They're mature applications of AI. That's always the challenge in industrial settings. Innovation is important, but accuracy and reliability are key. And these use cases deliver the reliability that industrial organizations are after. Take Carl Tire, for example. They inspect over 1 million tires every year using computer vision, and thanks to advanced AI, they can do that faster and more efficiently than ever before. This reliability has, of course, been a challenge for generative AI. That's why Hexagon Alex, the AI assistant that we're introducing and that's embedded within HxGN EAM, is based on extensive engagement with our customers to understand their needs and a strong emphasis on accuracy, reliability, and data security. Second finding, what's very interesting is also to look at the areas with the most potential, where the greatest number of decision makers say they plan to use AI for this purpose in the future. And here two particularly stand out. One is energy efficiency, for example, for building, and the other one is automations, for example, automation of work orders. My advice, get yourself a platform that can do both. This leads me to the third finding, the two driving forces behind this widespread adoption of AI, the cloud and EAM systems. 80% of companies say they have adopted cloud-based enterprise asset management systems. That's just massive. And why does it matter? Because it drastically accelerates AI adoption and go live. A platform like HxGN EAM comes, for example, with embedded AI algorithm and a Python framework so that companies can create their own script and rapidly leverage AI in production. The result, less complexity, less risk, and a faster time to market. What about you? Are you an AI enthusiast or an AI skeptic? Tell us in the comments and see you soon for the next episode of In Almost a Minute.